say you like me better the way, and I swear that I try, but I was so blind. They say your words hurt if you let them stay, so I cut my ties. This is my good, and I'm saying
Hello friends, today we are going to learn most important Ecxel formula.
you never had any patience. It's like a vision you couldn't see clear, and now life's a conversation. You bet it's only one side of love. I hear you saying, you say you like me better the way, and I swear that I try, but I was so blind. They say your words hurt if you let them stay, so I cut my ties. This is my good, and I'm saying
To insert serial numbers in alphabet. First we have to press equals row A65, then press enter. Now we have to drag the formula to the desired
you
row.
never had any patience. It's like a vision you couldn't see clear, and now life's a conversation. Never had any patience. It's like a vision you couldn't see clear, and now life's a conversation. You bet it's only one side of love. I hear you saying, you say you like.
Secondly we are going to watch how to insert chart. We have to press the formula in the keyboard equals rept preference of the desired row, then press enter. Now we have to drag the formula down. Then select the rows where we want to insert the chart. Now go to the font drop down menu, then select stencil font. As you can see, the chart have been inserted. You can also change the color of the charts if you want.
You never had any patience. It's like a vision you couldn't see clear, and now life's a conversation. You bet it's only had any patience. It's like a vision you couldn't see clear, and that's where life's a conversation. You bet it's only one side of love. I hear you saying, you say.
Select the rows where we want to insert the chart. Now go to the font drop down menu, then select stencil font. As you can see, the chart have been inserted. You can also change the color of the chart if you
You never
want.
had any patience. It's like a vision you couldn't see clear, and now life's a conversation. You bet it's only one side of love. I hear you saying, you say you like me better the way, and I swear that.
The next formula is how to calculate the total numbers of working days in an attendance sheet. We have to press equals COUNTIF range, P. Then press enter and drag the formula down. Next one is how to calculate the number of holidays. Press equals COUNTIF range, H, press enter and drag the formula down. Now same as the above formula, now we are calculating the number of days in which the employees are absent. Press equals COUNTIF range, A, and enter, drag the formula down. Now you can see the result. Next formula is to remove all formatting. Press Alt Go EAF, you will see all the formatting we have done is removed. Next formula to insert columns in Ecxel. First of all we have to select the table in which we want to insert columns. After that we have to press CTRL row 1. Formula to insert columns in Excel. First of all, we have to select the table in which we want to insert columns. After that, we have to press Ctrl row 1. Dialog box is open. We have to select custom, then edit the general option. Press up Tarankan, then press off. Columns are inserted in the selected table.